India hits back hard. Precision airstrikes, blackout drills across 244 districts, and Gujarat Titans clutch IPL win. Here's your India Daily AI Roundup for May 7th in under 2 minutes. Top headlines. Operation Sindoor, India strikes back. India launched precision strikes on 9 terror sites in Pakistan and POK in response to the Pahalgam attack. This is India's most forceful cross-border retaliation since Blackout in 2019. Blackout drill across India. At 4 p.m. today, 244 districts will conduct a civil defense mock drill with air raid sirens, blackouts, and evacuations. This is the first national-level drill since 1971. The NSE listed rupees 1,000 crore worth of mortgage-backed securities for the first time. Backed by LIC Housing Finance, this is a game-changer for India's housing finance landscape. Scorching heat in North India, light showers in the west, and thunderstorms likely in the east. May 7th brings mixed weather across the country. Gujarat Titans outclassed Mumbai Indians in a rain-hit game last night, chasing 156 via DLS. GT now tops the table with a strong NRR. Nifty at 2479. Sensex at 8,641. Gold at 9847. Silver at 9,680. Today's the birth anniversary of Rabindranath Tagore, Nobel laureate and the mind behind Jana Gana Mana, a true legend of Indian culture. That's your India in under 120 seconds. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more daily news. Lightning fast, AI curated, and always crisp.